It's hard being a beginner. It seems like there's so much you don't know. It seems like you're so far behind everybody else. They do things differently than you do. They do things better than you do. They seem to have more knowledge. Well, the reality is, if you're starting out, you are new. You are a beginner. But there's some neat things about being a beginner as well. Everybody started out as a beginner at some point. They had to learn certain skill sets. They had to learn how things worked, and that's kind of maybe where you are right now. Well, one of the things that we don't want you to do is to make so many rookie mistakes. So one of the things that new traders do often, and I've seen this through years of coaching here at TRADEway, is that they revert back to those emotions. They wait and they hear about a company that's been doing really well. And so now they'll wait days or weeks and then they'll go buy it just when it hits its high point and then starts to drop. Well, we don't want you to buy and sell stocks on emotion. We want you to take the 3 legs of the trading table that we're going to discuss and then employ that information in a way that is going to make sense and to put you in a position to possibly be able to make more profit over time. So how do you do that? Well, one is to recognize certain patterns. So rather than just kind of going off emotion or hearing about a stock and then buying it late, we're going to try to teach you to recognize when a stock is at a proper buy point. If you can buy a stock at the proper buy point and you're willing to stop out, then you can begin to win big and lose little. Now, one of the keys to making profit at any point is buying low and selling high. So one of our goals here at TRADEway is to help put you in a position to know what that looks like. So we're going to try to help you control some of those emotions, break some of those bad habits, and help you understand how the chart can help you make some of these trading decisions.